Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a home tour as part of the home tours that are being hosted by Daveda Lane. Please be sure to check out Daveda's channel if you're not familiar with her. I will have a link in the description box down below. And now I'll give you a look at my home. So here is my vignette when you first come into my house. I have shown this before in my cloche display video, but it is how I've left my entryway decorated for early spring. So on my mirror, I have this boxwood wreath and I have put lavender on it. I showed that in a DIY video. And this was another DIY down here. I turned these hurricane candle holders into cloches and I mimicked the lavender on these little frosted wreaths that I stuck at the top of the candle holder, and then I added some fake white roses, and then inside I have these little birds. I have all of that sitting on these silver dishes that are thrift store finds, and I have some moss underneath some cupcake stands that are holding the birds. And I have a similar one on this side. It's in a little different position, the bird. But I really loved how this looked, and I think I'm going to leave this up all throughout spring. Now, as we swing around the room, past my stairs, over to this side of my living room, I have my couch, and on my couch I have some pillows that have bunny themes going on. So in the center I have this pillow with some burlap bunnies on it. I got that at Pier 1 a couple years ago. Then over here I have a pillow that has a bunny wrap around it, and I have the same thing on this side. Now these are actually chair wraps. They came from Pier 1, and I had intended on using them at the tables, at the chairs that are at the head of my dining room table, but the wrap part itself would not fit around, and rather than taking it apart and making it over, we decided to wrap them around the pillows. And I say we because this was my daughter's idea, and it works out very well. So that's my couch. And then I thought I would show you up above here. This is where I used the painting I got at Lowe's when the Lowe's near us was going out of business. Now we'll move into my dining room, which isn't really decorated. So this is my dining room, and as you see, I have not yet decorated the table. I will be doing that shortly. But as I come around here, I'm heading over to where we have our coffee bar. I've taken down all of my St. Patrick's Day decorations, and I haven't yet fully decorated this for Easter time, but I left the little birds in the tiered basket for now. I put this chalkboard sign out that says Welcome Spring, and then I put my Look for Less topiary ball display in front of the sign. I drew a very bad butterfly, but I wanted it to kind of tie in with the topiary. So I think that looks cute for now. Next we move into my family room, and I have changed up my mantle a little bit. I kept the wreath with the shamrocks on it because I liked the green, and it didn't really scream St. Patrick's Day. I thought the green continued to tie in with my floral decorations. But I have added these two wooden bunnies, one on this side and one on this side, which I painted last year. They were white on one side and had polka dots on the other, but I wanted them to be able to face each other and have the same kind of coloring on both sides. So I actually repainted them, and then on one side I made them a little bit antiqued. On the other side, they are still white. And then in the center here, I have my spring basket vignette that I created as part of a challenge. And I just love the way this looks. I think this is the perfect spot for it. I felt like I needed something in the middle of the mantle since I no longer had a mantle clock there. And I was really happy with how this looked, and it tied in with what I already had going on the mantle. Then on the other side of my family room, I have an end table, and that is where I have put my tall floral display. It sort of hides my little cabinet I have back there that has some office supplies in it. Then I do have a few decorations up in my kitchen. I always like to put a seasonal dish towel hanging with my other dish towels that we actually use. And then I have my vignette in the kitchen here that was from another challenge. And then I just added an Easter sign over here. Move this out of the way so you can see a little better. So that's it. I'd like to thank Daveda for hosting this collaboration of home tours. Again, please be sure to check out her channel as well as the other people who are posting home tours. I'm sure you will enjoy watching them all. And if you're new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button in the description box or the icon in the corner of this video. That's it for now. Take care, everyone. Till next time. Bye-bye.